Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Love you guys. I'm gonna do another entry in my everyday doodle challenge. So excited. It's Wandering Vines today. Yes, number 9, Wandering Vines. So I'm going to be able to use my brush and try to draw some wandering vines with my brush. I could use a pen because it is a doodle, everyday a doodle, but I think I really want to try my hand at fine lines. I did it up here in the feather, did some fine lines in the feather. So I will see fine lines right here. See how I do, and if not, then I'll bring in a pen. If it turns out bad, I'll bring in a pen and then I will fix it with my pen. But I'm loving this little challenge. It's just been so fun. I'm gonna use Reeves Black, Ivory Black, and put some right here. And I also have these other colors on here too that I may, whoops, my brush is jumping away. Maybe it doesn't wanna do it. And I've got my sip of coffee this morning. And my best grandma ever mug that I got for Christmas from my daughter and Jubilee. Favorite thing. Oh, okay, so got my water. 2 waters. And let's bring you down. We'll see how we do. Let's get some wet. Okay, here we go. Wandering Vines. Oh boy. You feel my tentativeness here. Doing fine lines with a brush takes quite the steady hand, and that is something that I want to learn. And some patience. But I like the look. I like the look of the different kinds of strokes you can get with a brush. Oh, so far so good. Okay, let's add some leaf type things. Oh, I could add a flower because they're vines. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Oh, that is pretty. What a simple little doodle. Oh, I love it. The black. Okay, you know what else I'm gonna do? Just some dots. I like it. Okay. Now I'm going to add some, I want to add some color. Let's use some of these pretty greens and blues. That's just fun. Okay. Put some down here somewhere. There we go. Let's color in my little flower with some pink. All right. There is my wandering vines. So fun. I love these little simple exercises. No pressure. A little bit of forethought, but not bad. Okay, that's my little wandering vines. Excellent. Okay, let's flip my page. Oh, I love that. Okay, get you a little bit closer.